Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 6 of the Merry Craftmas series for 2021. I'm co-hosting this fun event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Following the video that I did on day 3 for the mini candy cracker gift box, I received several requests asking for a larger cracker box that could hold more items. I did do a tutorial last Christmas for an extra large cracker that had a hidden gift box inside, and I will repost that in today's video. Before we review the project, I want to announce the winner of the hidden giveaway that I did a few days ago. As a reminder, the prize for the hidden giveaway is an Anna Griffin Sleigh Easel card dies. This is a $35 value. Let's see who the lucky winner is. And the winner is Miss Martini Girl 1. Once again, the lucky winner is Miss Martini Girl 1. You will have 72 hours to claim your prize. Please see the description box below for more details. For today's project, I have created these beautiful Christmas crackers with a hidden box. Before I review the project in detail, let me show you the paper collection that I used. I used the beautiful collection called Sugar Cookie by Frank Garcia. This is no longer in stock, but if you visit ASC Craft Supplies, you'll see a beautiful selection of holiday papers. They have 2 retail locations. You can reach them on the web or on their Etsy store. So feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. And if you spend $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. I love the way these crackers turned out. I think they are so beautiful and elegant, and they make a wonderful presentation. To make these boxes, I purchased an SVG file from Etsy, and the store is called Digital Cutting Files. This was really easy to make. As you can see, this is quite a substantial cracker box. This measures a little over 10 inches from top to bottom and 2.5 inches across. On the centers, I have created these beautiful poinsettias. I used a die by Sizzix. This is their big texture fades, and it's one of their thick steel rule dies. This also includes an embossing folder. This is the first cracker box, and the base is cut on this pretty pink cardstock. And here's a better look of the designs of the paper. The center box, I have used this rose gold matte. I've used this thin pink ribbon to close the top and the bottom. And look at this beautiful poinsettia. I love all of the variated details. In the center, I have this huge textured pearl. I have another tiny poinsettia here on the side, and we've got this foam flower and then more floral sprays. In the back, I have a piece of the ephemera chipboard from Prima. So if you look on the top here, there's a little handle that I've created. So let me open this. So when the recipient gets this, all they have to do is pull on the string and the box will come out just like so. I don't have anything in this box yet except for crinkled paper, but let me show you the size of this box. This is a nice size box. And when you're finished, this box just fits right back in. Just like so. And then we can tie it up. This is the second cracker that I've created, and I wanted to bring out some of the blues and greens. So I've got this beautiful rose here. I've embellished it with Glitterific, and I've also added in this kind of blue minty green in the center. We have another ephemera piece from the Sugar Cookie collection, and these floral sprays here. We have the little pink berries. And on the left here, we have a snowflake. Here's another chipboard piece from the collection. And this is our third cracker. I've used more of this rose gold matting. As you can see, this makes a beautiful presentation. However, it's very easy to put together. Now that I've given you an overview, I'm going to gather my materials so we can make this together. I'll be right back. To make the cracker, I am using a digital file that I purchased on Etsy from Digital Cutting Files. In your file, you will receive this cracker box. This is actually called the Snowflake Cracker Box, and it's got this pretty scalloped detail on the box. It also includes the decorative layers, and to save time, I've already glued them down, and then you have double matting layers in the center of the box. You will also receive this part, which is the box that will go inside the cracker. I've already folded along all of the score lines, and now we are going to assemble the cracker box. Now we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to put glue on these tabs. I'm going to tuck in these tabs, and when I do that, this should fold over perfectly. Okay, we're going to give that a few seconds to dry. I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish these edges. And now we have our cracker box. So let's put this aside. And now we're going to work on this box. This is a very simple box to put together. I'm going to put glue on these tabs here and fold it up just like so. And fold along the score lines here. And we're just making a simple box. Now to create the box, I did use a 110-pound cardstock. Because this is going to be pulled in and out of the cracker box, I wanted to make sure that I had a sturdy inner box. Okay, and then I'm going to glue these tabs to this part here. And then we're going to glue this last tab down. Now we have the box assembled. We're going to take this piece and we're going to glue it down. This piece reinforces the box. Fold this down and burnish. Now we need to create a little handle so that when it's inside the cracker box, you can easily pull it out. So I have a piece of ribbon. I'm going to simply tie this into a knot. Tying this into the ribbon, and then I'm going to feed this through the box. I'm just going to stick this through. I'm going to snip these tails a little bit. They're a bit long. Now I'm going to pull this through, and then I'm just going to glue these tabs on the inside just so that they'll stay in place, and then press. So now we're going to insert this into our box. So grab your cracker box, and we're simply going to slide this inside just like so. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. And then we're going to decorate the cracker box and close it up just like so. Let's go ahead and do that now. So this is a ribbon that I'm using. Okay, you can use whatever size you want. It really doesn't make a difference. And I'm just going to tie a bow around it. Okay, we're going to do that for the other side. Now we have our assembled cracker, and we have our hidden box inside. And as you can see, this string is long enough so that when someone gets it, they know that they'd have to pull on this string in order to get what's inside the box. Now the fun part, decoration. I'm going to decorate this offline, and then I will be back with the final reveal. These are my completed Christmas crackers, and I love the way they turned out. As you can see, it has lots of layering. I love the way this poinsettia turned out. I think it's so pretty, and it's just very shabby chic. I think these are a beautiful presentation, not only for Christmas, but also for any time throughout the year. This concludes my review of my Christmas cracker with hidden box. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for day 7 of the Merry Craftmas series. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and Merry Craftmas.